Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my today's video, I will be sharing with you this wonderful cream or a face gel. This is the turmeric face gel made at home using simple kitchen ingredients. This has a very silky and a jelly texture. When applied on the skin, this will easily melt into your skin, giving you a very glowing look. This can reduce pimples, clear your skin of any acne marks, and improve the complexion. If you want to know, please continue watching. To make this cream, I have used turmeric. This is the Kasturi manjal or wild turmeric. This I purchased online. This is easily available product. So this has all the goodness of turmeric, which can have a very good benefits onto your skin when applied. This is in powder form. You can also buy a solid form which you get and make powder out of it. The turmeric gives you a naturally glowing skin, reduces acne. It will also reduce facial hair. Again, to make this cream, I'm using oil. For that, I'm using turmeric oil. This is the homemade one again. If you want to know, please leave the comment in the comment section below. I will show you how to make this. To make this cream again, I'm using essential oil, 2 to 3 drops of essential oil. If you don't have, you can substitute with any other essential oil of your choice. And to make this cream like a jelly consistency, I am using aloe vera gel. Again, this is purchased online. It is all easily available ingredients. So very simple method. All you need to do is mix all the ingredients one by one. For this, I am using 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 2 to 3 drops of or a quarter teaspoon of turmeric oil, and few drops of turmeric essential oil. Mix well and the cream will be ready. So the quantity of all these ingredients is very less what I'm using, because I have already made this cream and I have stored it in the container. Always make in small quantities and see how it works for you. Here I've added quarter teaspoon of the turmeric powder or the Kasturi manjal, and I'm going to give it a good mix. Once you mix all these together, you will get a gel-like consistency, a cream-like consistency, and your cream is almost ready. Since you have not added any oil or any water into this cream will last for a long time. You can store this in a jar, in a container, and keep it at room temperature only for more than 2 months and use it regularly. Use during the night time. You have to just wash your face and use this cream as a moisturizer. Just take a little bit and massage onto your skin, and the next morning you can wash it off. You can see this cream works wonderfully on all skin types, and it will give you 100% results within 1 week of regular use. Just a pinch of it is enough to give you a glowing skin. So the various creams which I show in my videos are because you don't know, nobody can say which cream suits whom. So try all these creams and see how it works for you. Since these are very simple ingredients, this has no side effects thereof. So if you find any irritation, you can stop using and go for the next one. So try this and see how it works. If you like more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel if you like more such DIYs. And if you like this video, you can share it with your friends. And if you have any comments, please comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.